I'm definitely gonna pack these up in a vacation because I'm going somewhere. Give me a really good all day long. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know already, my name is Alicia, and if you have not hit the subscribe button, what are you doing? Make sure you subscribe. So today's video, I know you have heard about the Sephora sale. Well, I ordered mine on the 14th. I think that's the day that it started. So on the 14th, and I just got it today, which is the 19th or something like that. So I just want to show you guys some of the things I got so you guys can make sure you pick it up too before the sale ends. It ends on the 24th, the 23rd or the 24th. So I'm gonna scoot my tray over a little. I don't know where to start, y'all. So I have the Makeup by Mario lip pumping colors, and I also have the lip pumping serum. So I have 4 colors. I'll go ahead and insert them right here. Just great. My battery's about to die. Hold on. I'm not sure where I got cut off at, but I think I was telling you guys what I have. And the lip plumping color, I have soft nude, baby pink, and a lip plumping serum. I have honey glow and nude glow. So that's the Mario, and I'm gonna insert them on the side because I'm not sure if I don't plan on opening these just yet. And then these are both aluminum free deodorants. This is the Sol de Janeiro one, and this is the Necessaire. And yeah, I'm trying to go the natural route on the smell goods. I currently use the Ordinary, but these have a thing that lighten your underarms, and I want to just try them. And from the Sephora collection, I got a universal lip liner, so it doesn't come out any color. And then I got a lip liner in red, and then I got the 01 lip stain, and I got 66 lip stain. The one size, I was debating if I was gonna return these or not, but I have the coin collector Rent Dew in red. Brown, like a nude gloss or nude. Okay, so nude lip or red is typically what I get. So all my lippies are typically those colors. Oh yeah, and these are from the Sephora collection as well. These are just some cotton rounds. Oh, I got 2 more things that's not sets. Okay, so I was watching Vanessa Myrick TikTok, and she put the beauty oil on first, and when she did that tutorial, I went on to Sephora and put that in my cart at that time. So I knew that I wanted to get this. So I went ahead and got that. And then I got the Laneige Lip Gloss Balm in Grapefruit. And then next I have basically all sets. This is the hair set. That's what I do on the Sephora sale. Typically I get like, I normally get sets, but typically I get a perfume set. If you guys looking to brighten your horizons for the perfume, definitely get sets during this time. I recommend 10 out of 10. And then Sephora typically have like a Sephora favorites or something like that, and then they normally have like, you get these sample sizes and then you can try it and then get a full size for that price. So get that. But this is the Sephora hair favorite, and it's a couple of things in here that I want to try. I already have the Wild Dream coat. This have great reviews on there on the Sephora site, and also I'm just trying to figure out my hair. I had got it straightened before, and ever since then, like professionally straightened, and ever since then my curls haven't came back or something, but I'm working on it. I'm working. And then next we have this Tasha mini favorites. I actually am currently using the rice water and dewy skin. The deep cleanser and water cream. I had that from a previous set, so I was like, this is working out perfect for me. So I went ahead and got this set, and this was only $68, but Tasha runs like a pretty penny. So that's why I said make sure you get sets around this time. And then next, last but not least, I have the Sephora favorites Vacation All Day. I wanted this in a different one, but I'm glad I got it as soon as the sale hit, because this is currently sold out. It comes with the 2 full-size products. I'm definitely going to use this vacation. I already start opening this. So it comes with the topical exfoliating body serum. Something in here smells really good. I don't know what it is, but something in here smells really good. The Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. And I think let me check and see if I didn't get, okay, so this is the Mario Moisture Glow. Okay, so this is Bronze Glow, and I have a Honey Glow and a Nude Glow. Okay. But yeah. And it's like a twist cap, like, I already tried this when I was so excited to finally get it. So I already tried it, and it comes off like a little pinkish bronzy color, and it's perfect for like an everyday use. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I'm trying to figure out what is that in here that smells so freaking good. Something in here smells really good. But the Tower 28, this is a Daily Rescue facial spray. Can't go wrong with that, I guess. And I'm definitely gonna pack this stuff to travel with. This is the current sunscreen that I use. This is the Supergoop, but this is the Glow Screen. I don't currently use this one, but I use the Unseen one, I think. But perfect. I love that. So I'm definitely gonna pack these up in a vacation because I'm going somewhere. Next is the Drunk Elephant Deep Bronzy. Okay, so it's like the 10 drops, I guess. And then we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Gloss Brow. And this is Freck OG, and it's a liner. And this is the, but this is a scalp and body scrub. I'm definitely packing this stuff for vacation. And I put this in here because I used a couple of my points, because I couldn't use my points and the coupon code or something like that. No, I could, whatever. So this is the Self Tanner Drops in medium, and I'm excited to use this. I love a tan body. Like, it hides your imperfections. I'm here for it. And lastly, okay, and this is another thing I use my points for. I've been getting this, I've ordered again, and I got this again. Like I said before with the Sephora favorites for the hair care, I'm trying to get my curls back, and I feel like this is bringing my curls back to life. I've gotten a sample for this, I think from Ulta, a time before, and I started seeing my curls come back to life. Got that. And that concludes my haul. Make sure you guys stay tuned, because I do plan on putting some looks together. And also, yeah, stay tuned, because I do plan on putting some looks together. Make sure you follow me on my TikTok, YouTube, of course. Make sure you're interacting with me. Come on, I'm trying to build a community here. Let me know. Drop a heart down if you got to this part. Let me know down below. And I think what I'm gonna start doing is doing like a little shout out thing. If you guys start, the first 3 people who leave a comment, they will be posted in my videos. So make sure you start commenting, interacting with me, you know, get these views up, get this interaction up. But I'll talk to you guys later.